Tiny Tinkle's Little Musician Series presents, yay! It's my favorite note. Have you subscribed? Today we're learning the notes E, F, and G in the bass clef. Let's play. Where is Ellie Elephant's E? It's in the second space from the top. How about Frankie Frog? Where's your favorite note? On the second line from the top. Nah, Gordy Goat, where's your note? In the first space of the bass clef. Let's play with E, F, and G. Whose note is in the second space? Pawoo! E! What about the second line? Frankie Frog! And whose note is in the first space? Gordy Goat! G! Frankie Frog. The first space. Gordy Goat. The second space. Let's try all by yourself. More resources for little musicians at tinytinkles.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.